Alright, so in this video we are going to be looking at Lightning McQueen from Disney Pixar. Alright, so what do you wanna show us, Annie? Oh, that's pretty cool, man. That is really nice. I think I'm gonna buy this one. I think that's pretty cool. Alright, and there is this truck which looks pretty nice, and then we get these how many 12 cars, really nice one for $44.99 and they $44.99, and there are a bunch of little cars from Disney Pixar. Very nice one, guys, really like it. Which one is your favorite one, Annie? This one and this one. Alright, that's Anik's favorite, and then this one. We are definitely going to get one of these and these. Right? So these are the old ones from Disney Pixar. I'm sure you have seen these in the... Can you come here for a minute? Okay, we'll take a look at that later. You want to say something to your subscribers?
And follow Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and social media. And give it a thumbs up and go to the description below.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down there. Alright. Alright, goodbye, guys. Alright, again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we would love if you give us a thumbs up. Alright, we are going to be looking at the PJ Masks next.